Albert, why did you decide to go for stem cell when you already look younger than your age?
Because staying young is a choice. I don't wait for problems, I invest in prevention. Stem cells help my body stay its best so I can perform, recover and live stronger every day.
This is your second IV session. How is your experience been so far?
It's been impressive. I feel more energized, I have much better sleep, recovery feels faster and even my skin looks fresher. It's not an instant change, but I can feel my body functioning better.
And would you recommend this treatment to others?
Absolutely, it's more than just an aesthetic treatment, it's about overall rejuvenation and long-term wellness. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to maintain their health and youthfulness.